This is a course from Master Guitar Academy. What I'm teaching in this lesson is how to play a funky blues in the key of A, in the style of Robben Ford. The full lesson is 2 hours and 21 minutes long. The course consists of 3 parts: rhythm guitar, an intermediate solo, and an advanced solo. The rhythm guitar section covers in detail how to strum in a funky way using 2 different tempos and 2 different strumming approaches. The 2 solos are well crafted. There are both easy and challenging licks, but I carefully teach it all in detail, and I relate these ideas to chord tones and intervals, so that you can easier take some of these concepts and incorporate them into your own playing style. The course is available on DVD and as a download, and it comes with tablature, guitar profiles, backing tracks, solo tracks, even an HD 500 preset that I use for this lesson. This course is available at masterguitaracademy.com. Now enjoy the rest of this video, where you will get a preview of what is taught in the course, including the full 2 solos.